This is the reason nobody throws away the crust. This copycat garlic sauce, it might be better than the original.
I'm Johnny Mac, and this is the Sauce and Gravy channel.
So let me quickly walk you through how to make a copycat Domino's or Papa John's garlic sauce.
To begin with, round up your garlic. You'll need 8 garlic cloves.
That should be 1 head of garlic. For the most part, these pizza delivery companies don't even have real garlic in their garlic sauce. For example, Domino's garlic sauce recipe, it doesn't even have garlic in it. It has garlic flavor.
And you'll want them to be pretty good size. And this is the hardest part of the recipe, peeling these little guys. If you have a good way of peeling garlic, let me know. What I like to do is just smash them onto the workbench and then take off the skin.
So why would you make a homemade garlic dipping sauce? Well, the answer is pretty simple. There's no preservatives, no mystery ingredients, just real garlic flavor. And you really can't go wrong with that.
Once your garlic's peeled and put into the sauce pot, add 1 cup or 250 milliliters of water. Crank your burner up to medium to high heat. Once it starts to simmer, reduce the heat to a light simmer, keep it uncovered, and reduce down for about 5 to 7 minutes or until the garlic is soft. After about 5 to 7 minutes, the water will have reduced down, roughly by about 2/3. Your garlic, it should be soft. At this point in the process, you can take it off heat. You have a couple options here. You can either place the garlic and the water into a mixing bowl or a mortar and a pestle, and you can make a paste with it, and then you can put it into a food processor. Or if you have something that you can use an immersion blender with, just place it all in, and then you're ready to go.
One of the best things about this copycat Papa John's garlic sauce recipe is that it's very easy and quick to make. You can order your pizza, and by the time it's delivered, shazam, your pizza dipping sauce, it's ready to go.
You have the garlic, you have the water it was boiled in, add 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Then add 1 full teaspoon of freshly squeezed lemon juice. Round up your immersion blender and give it a quick blitz. After it's well blended, add 1/2 cup or 125 milliliters of extra virgin olive oil, slowly drizzling it in a little bit at a time.
You can always substitute with clarified butter if you prefer. Oil and water naturally separate, but garlic contains compounds, proteins, and tiny solids that can act as natural emulsifiers. And that's perfect because it'll help keep this garlic butter dip from separating.
And that's all there is to it.
Garlic sauce makes pizza taste better because fat carries flavor. That's why every bite tastes richer after a dip. Check it out, not much better than homemade garlic sauce.
If the sauce has too much of an overpowering garlic flavor, you can always offset it with a touch of sugar. Mix it in. Woo! Oh yeah, that's good. Can't beat that.
And that's all there is to it. So whether you're trying to recreate Papa John's garlic sauce or Domino's garlic dip, this recipe delivers that classic pizza chain flavor at home. Thank you so much for watching the Sauce and Gravy channel. If you found this recipe helpful, be sure to hit that like button and share it with your friends. Thanks again for watching the channel, and until next time, remember, it's just you, me, and the sauces. Keep whisking, y'all.